Hey everyone, 2019 is quickly coming upon us. And if you are like me, you have some resolutions and some goals that you want to achieve in 2019. I have a solution for you, so stay with me. For a number of years, I've went into the year with a whole list of goals and plans that I wanted to achieve. And quite commonly in the past, I used to use planners like Franklin Covey and such to help me organize my life. But in a digital age, I haven't been able to effectively get myself organized and planned. See, I'm an individual that loves technology and I love the idea of having it with me wherever I am. So when Apple came out with a pencil for their iPad and the Surface was introduced, I lean towards a program called OneNote for all my note taking. It's a beautiful application. It allows me to make notes about projects, update myself on goals, and be everywhere and anywhere with me. It might be on my wrist, it might be in my hands, or it might be at my desktop. It syncs beautifully across all platforms. But I miss my planner. I've always been someone that has said to myself, if you write something, you'll remember it and you'll commit to it and you'll get the job done. That's why a paper planner has always been something I've been attracted to. So with a product like the Surface or the iPad with a pencil, you're able to achieve note-taking with you and rule out the idea of having paper products with you. But when it came to a planner, I searched high and low for the internet, trying to find a means of making my planner life digital. Throughout my search online, I looked for different applications that worked with either the Android or Apple platforms, and I couldn't find anything that really was just an overall digital planner that allowed me to take handwritten notes. I looked at PDF notation applications that allowed me to import pages and had stock planners, but none of that stuff really appealed to me. And at the end of the day, the best notation device that I found was OneNote. So I asked myself a simple question: how can I get a planner in OneNote that allows me to have the benefits of a cloud syncing environment? I continued my search online and didn't find anything that really attracted me. So with that being said, I introduced to you our version of the digital planner for OneNote. This planner, the Success Planner, will help you organize your life in a digital way. This is not just the ordinary planner that gives you an at-a-view look at the months. I wanted to develop this planner so it could provide you focus on the goals that you want to accomplish. Each page has a few features that I feel that'll help you accomplish that. And as we go through 2019, we're going to perfect this planner. We're going to give you more inspirational tips and ideas for organizing your life. But more importantly, we're going to help give you the tool set for accomplishing those resolutions and goals that matter most to you as you enter 2019. One big thing that I'm a firm believer in: start every day with your 3 most important tasks. These I call your big 3. It's the things that if you focus on and accomplish, they're the things that are going to propel you forward to reaching those goals that you have in mind for 2019. Now this planner comes with a whole load of features. We have the add a month view that is dated, and then a daily task sheet that helps you develop on that. We also provided bonus materials like sketching and line papers that you can add throughout the month whenever you need. And the beautiful part about this is, as you need more notes for certain topics or subjects, you're going to be able to do so with OneNote. Shortly into 2019, we're going to have some bonus packs to be available. So if you sign up now, you're going to get those bonus packets at no additional cost, but they're going to include sheets like meal planning, goal planning, and sheets that help you organize the projects that you have in front of you. Now, what is the cost? We're selling these right now for $18.50 a download. Regular price is $25, so get in, get now, and get the opportunity to get organized in 2019. I have the link below. Also, it's available on our website at brandonbodendorfer.com. Now, guys, I'm going to give you my whole background over the next few months on how I maintain organization, how I further my goals. So you're going to hit subscribe on our page and follow me as we talk about all the different things in 2019 that we're inspiring to do. Thanks guys for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.